Here we are on week 7. It's Wednesday morning. We already did our buff and glazing on our front end and our car body. We're already assembling. We've got our front fender already on. I mean, it's a very sensitive thing. Be very careful as you build. We're pretty well putting it all pretty well gathered together. The basics with stainless. Some of the originals and just clean up what we're in the areas, but make sure you do all your protection. Nice finish. Lights are just shooting down it like a laser beam. Alright, let's get this parts polished and get them on. Last parts. We probably got this week, probably a little bit, a few days next week, and this is out of here. 67 Buick GS 400, 5-speed. Week 7, Wednesday.